Well, hello again everybody. A little while ago I put up a video on how to play bar billiards, and much to my surprise it was quite popular and it's had over 11,000 hits so far. So today I'm going to have a game and I'm going to play with my twin brother Bob. I'm Michael, by the way, and Bob's my twin brother. Hi, I'm Bob, Michael's brother, and yes, I've got to keep an eye on him though because he cheats sometimes. Anyway, we've tossed to see who's going to start, and typical, he won, so he wants to start. So let's get going. Well, there's the scoreboard, and because I'm going to break, I'm on the top and Bob's on the bottom. So okay Bob, I'm going to break. Line the balls up like that. Yes! 150! I can do that shot twice more, if I can. I missed it that time. Now, this is a dodgy shot, and if I'm not careful, that ball is going to knock that one over. So I'm going to hit the cush just before the ball and put a bit of side on. Nothing, just 50. I'm going to take this thing off because it's steaming my glasses up. Nothing? Okay. $250. Your turn, Bob. Oh, yeah, I like you left me something there, mate. 30. Well done. Nothing. Your turn. Go on, you can do something with that, surely. 30. 50. Oh, 50 only. Your turn, Mike. It's 40 on the bottom. Okay. I have to take the last ball back again. Sign of bad players when you get all the balls on the table. There's the last one. Coming back. Alright, thank you for getting that. Here we go. See what we can do. Nothing! Okay Bob, your turn. I'll get that last ball back for you. This one. $90, 120, 120. Yes, 150. 180. 180. 200. Oh, look at that. 200, 240, 250, 270, 270. 280. 340. 360. 390. 420. 450. 510, 520. Another 40, 560. Another 40, 600. 600. So, yeah, I've won, but I've got to finish the break. Okay? Always have to finish the break. No score. That one comes back because it was on the pin, on the hole, on the point. Oh no! Come on, Bob. Get your hat on and play that one. I see that. Yeah, not that easy for you, have I? 80. 80. Okay, Mike. Let's see if you can knock a pin over again. 50. Oh no, he's done it again. No score. Okay, Bob, come on. Yeah, you needn't wear the mask if it's making it difficult. Don't. Okay. I've got to do that. Uh-oh! Same again. Alright, I'll put it up, don't worry. And you're going to have the red one back because it's on the point there, okay, so, yeah. You're not left with much, have you? Worse than you had. Oh, look at that! But now I've got a really difficult one. So it's 60, 70. But that's going to be very difficult now. 70. Oh yes! At least I touched it. Save the 70. Get that 70 on. That makes me 520 now. Your turn, Bob. Oh, bad luck. Mike, come on. Come on, Mike, put me out of my misery. 10. Big deal. 100 altogether. 140. 180. 220. Another 60, 280. No, didn't touch anything, lost it. Okay, well, up to you now. There's not much on the table, mind you, but... Oh, look at that! 130. Well done, Bob. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? Oh dear. What I'm going to try and do, I don't know whether it will work or not, but if I come down here and put some side on it, I should be able to get that one. So I'll try that. Bit of chalk. No way! Missed it all, no score. Okay, I'm going to try the same shot. Yes! 30. Okay, Bob. Oh, well done, well done. 50. 100. 150. You can't do that shot again. You can't do a pot again. 150. You go in off, but you can't do a pot on that hole. Oh, bad luck. 150. All right, you're catching up. Oh, you're 100 behind. Ah! Oh, never mind. Never mind. Not enough gin and tonic, that's the trouble. How about that then? 70. 100. 100. Now, I'm going to have a problem because that black pin, this ball, and that ball are too dangerous for the black pin. So, I'm going to have a go at this one and see if I can shift that red one. No, I didn't shift the red one, but I scored 10. Should be able to shift it now though. 40. Oh no, just 40. Okay, Bob. Should be a bit easier for you now. 10. I'm going to play that ball there, but it's going to go over the hole, so I'm going to put some top on my ball and see what happens. At least I should get the white one down, maybe the red one as well. Yes! 10, 30 and 60, 90. 90 only. Oh, I'm catching up on you. I think I can see a great shot here. Oh no! No! Yes! 140. 170. 230. 320. 320. Got these balls lined up again here. That's not good. 320. That's just play to save it. No. 320. 340, 360, 360. 360, I saved it. Oh yes! I only need 100. I only need 100. Oh no! Can I get 100 and save it? Oh yes! Boy, my turn now. But I need more than 100. I need 490, 410. Oh, last ball back. Yeah, last ball back. There's this one here, right? 30, 90. You need 10 to win. 90. Oh God, 90 and 40 there, 130, 60 there, 190. Now, save it, save it. No! Oh, yes, 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 yes. I won. Better put the mask back on now, in case he gets too close to me. But yeah, I won. It's not very often I beat him, I'll tell you that now. But I did it. Magic! Oh, I suppose you want to say something. Well, yes, I do actually. It was very difficult trying to find a way of letting him win, because he gets miserable if he doesn't win. And I'm pleased for him, you know, I'm really happy. And thank you all for watching. It was a bit of fun. In lockdown, bah. Bye bye all.